Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick update video on the Z. I'm not gonna be able to make a video for probably 2 weeks or so because I got finals coming up here in school. So I just want to do a quick update. I've got a bunch of parts I'm gonna show you guys that I'm gonna be putting on soon, but you may notice it's on blocks. And basically, I was bleeding the cooling system yesterday, and I think I got it figured out. I don't think I was putting the cap on all the way, so that could have been one of the reasons why it was overheating. Other than that, I think we're gonna be good. And so here are the parts that I'm gonna put on, and I'm super excited for those. Alright guys, so this is all the stuff that I have that we're going to be installing. So, first off right here, this C-Tech, this is a new Brake Master cylinder, and you might have seen, I think it was the intake manifold removal tool, or removal video, where I realized that my Brake Master cylinder was leaking, so I got one of these. I also got this DOT 5.1 synthetic brake fluid, so hopefully this stuff is going to make it just ever so better. This 5.1 stuff, if you don't know about it, it's fully synthetic, and so it should be more resistant to getting water in the line, and so it shouldn't foul as fast, I think. Super cool, super cheap too. I got this off eBay for like 15 bucks for this entire liter. So, and it's German of some sort. I have a new fan clutch right here. I thought the old one of mine was going out, but this one actually seems very close to the other one, so who knows? I'm still going to replace it anyway. These are some gaskets for my catalytic converter. If you know, when I thought the rear seal was leaking on my transmission, I had to take off the exhaust, and I never got new gaskets. And so here they are. And then this big box under here, this is Prothane bushings. So I got some polymer bushings. They're really cool, really quality. Um, I'm super excited to get these in. I don't have a picture. Maybe I can find one. But right now, the rubber bushings that originally came on the 300ZX, they're just absolutely degrading, just falling apart, crumbling. So hopefully these will make it feel a lot stiffer and help me get a lot more control when I'm driving it around. So that's all I have, guys. Thanks for watching this update video. I think my subscriber count is like at 88 or something, so I'm super thankful for all that. And like I said, guys, it's going to be about 2 weeks until I can post another video, which is probably going to be either this or I'm going to be doing the Brake Master cylinder. So let's hope you guys have a great couple of weeks. If you're in school like me, hope you guys do good on finals. Uh, yeah, this is my first year of college, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah, so I hope you guys have a great time, and I will see you in a couple weeks.